Mastering the money mindset for success. Now, I've met a lot of successful investors. It helps when you're writing books on the subject. You interview people. I've met them through TIE, the Indus Entrepreneurs, which is the world's largest mentoring organization for entrepreneurs. I set up the UK chapter with friends of mine, one of whom is now the CEO of Patel Networks, for instance. So I've met a lot of very successful people, and I guess that the most important thing that came out of sitting on the boards with those incredibly successful people, and they weren't necessarily successful at the time they were on our board, but noticing a trait that's held them in good stead is they loved what they were doing. I'm sure they were concerned about bills and earning money and all of those things, but they seemed to be detached from the money aspect. Really weren't that bothered about money. And I guess a good example of that is you look at an old video of Jeff Bezos, and he's officially become a billionaire and he's still driving around in a Prius or a Toyota. And the interviewer asks him, "What's with the Toyota?" And he goes, "Oh, it gets me from A to B." They really weren't distracted. There's another saying that a focused fool is worth far more than a distracted genius. They had a detachment, you might say, from money. They had a focus on doing the job well, creating value for the end client and the customer, and then the money flowed. It was the fact that it was indirect that I guess makes it difficult for people to learn. Anyway, that was one of the many aspects of that sort of money mindset. It wasn't actually a money mindset, if you see what I mean. I'll give you many more insights and tips onto the world's most successful investors, traders, and entrepreneurs who I work with. Like and follow for more. My name's Alpesh Patel. Have a look at alpeshpatel.com/links if you'd like to learn a lot more and a ton more free resources. Thank you.